Everyone has heard of rice and beans. All over the world, everyone knows and eats rice and beans. But has anyone ever before eaten mashed potatoes and beans? Well, this is prepared mashed potatoes from a box. Pretty boring. But I am going to I got a half a can of pork and beans left. I'm going to cook this mashed potatoes, put some water in there, cook it for about a minute, then mix in the beans for mashed potatoes and beans. The first time ever done in the universe. There it is, all mixed together. Water, dehydrated mashed potatoes from a box, Campbell's pork and beans, mushrooms, onions, and I think that's about it. Now it goes into the microwave for about a minute, maybe two. I need a lid. Beans will explode. That took about 2.5 minutes to heat everything up. I forgot to mention I also have pre-cooked sausage in there, like kielbasa. And take a bite. Tastes good. Mashed potatoes and beans instead of rice and beans.